What's going on, guys? Welcome to the Credit Plug channel. Now, look, I'm not going to waste your time, but I do want to show you guys we're still doing magic. Now, right here, we got a client. I'm logged into Experian.com, so y'all can see this is the actual website. Good news, your FICO score has increased by 173 points. This was on October 9th, 2025. Now, I know a lot of people were worried about what's going on as far as the credit restoration due to the government shutdown. And we're not worried about it because it doesn't even matter. We're still getting outrageous results just like this. This was on October 9th, which was after the shutdown. So this just goes to show we're still getting the job done. 173 point FICO score increase. So they went all the way up to a 784. Now, do I have to remind you what you could do with a 784? You could do a lot with a 784. Your life will change with a 784. You could run it up at the banks with a 784. And again, this is about 3 weeks ago. Now, the reason why I wanted to show you this, although we've had these results for a while, is just to share with you what our client was actually able to facilitate as a result. Now, they've been struggling with a poor credit score for years in the low 600s, high 500s. They start working with CP Restoration Services. We got them up to a 784. Now, since we were able to get their credit score up, we then were able to get them access to funding. All right. Now, with this funding that we were able to get them, we were able to secure them their first business acquisition. So again, got the credit up to 784, got them funded very soon after. And right now they are under contract to purchase their first business acquisition. So this is going to put immediate cash flow into their pocket. Their credit score was at a 611, which is subprime credit. Their credit was down in this area. So we skipped over several different credit categories to get them up to a 784. All right, let's look at what actually happened. And you can see just right before, they were getting flagged for collections accounts and stuff, right? So let's see exactly what happened. Now, as y'all can see, security credit service item removed off the credit report. Trellis company removed from the credit report. All right, so these were collection accounts. So these collection accounts were dragging their score down. Let's take a look at this. All right, so as y'all can see, this is the after, this is the before. Y'all see item deleted off the credit report, right? Some of y'all talk about, oh, I've been disputing this account for 2 years and it's not coming off. We're showing you right here. We've done this for years now. Now look at this, almost $12,000 collection on your credit report. Now, do I have to remind you what a $12,000 collection, how much that's going to drag your credit score? And y'all see this has been reporting for over 2 years, all right? Scheduled to come off the record March 2030. So do you know how much money you can run up before 2030, or how many businesses you could acquire, how much funding you can get, how much you can increase your income from leveraging credit by 2030? And some of y'all will sit here and say, oh man, credit 1,500, 2,000, that's too much. If that's too much, what's the price of sitting back for years with no motion, with bad credit? You know what I'm saying? Do us a favor, do yourself a favor. Call the number up on the screen. If you're tired of being broke, if you're tired of getting denied for credit, if you're tired of not being able to facilitate your goals and your dreams, whether that's to purchase a home for your family, to get your business off the ground, to acquire a business, to get some cash flow in your pocket, whatever that may be, we could facilitate that. I've done it personally. I've showed y'all receipts. I started off with a really low credit score and leveled up because I fixed my credit. And now we're getting daily cash flow from multiple revenue streams. And you could do the same. It's not that hard. It all starts with fixing your credit. That's the foundation to building your wealth here in America. So do me a favor, call the number up on the screen, speak to one of our reps. We'll walk through your credit report, identify the items that need to be removed, and get them completely knocked off your credit report. So in today's economy, you need resources. In order for you to get resources, you need a good financial reputation, which is your credit. When you have a good financial reputation, you can go and accumulate financial resources, loans, and money from the bank. That gives you leverage. With leverage, you're able to make things happen. And once you're able to make things happen, once you have some motion, whether that's buying a business, hiring people, equipment, whatever, you could deploy that capital in a productive manner so that you're able to make some money and you always have some money coming in. You know what I'm saying? So do us a favor, call the number up on the screen, talk to one of our reps. We'll walk through your credit report, identify the items that you need to get removed, get it removed off your credit report. We can also help you get funding. And then right now we're buying businesses up so you can have cash flow. A lot of y'all don't know what to do with the credit once you get it. We're giving you a full scope of what to do from A to Z. Get your credit fixed, get the funding, get the business, and then you start cash flowing. But maybe you just want to get your credit fixed. That's cool. You can stop right there. Or maybe you just want to get funding. You go do it however you want it. But call the number up on the screen. If your credit score starts with a 3, 4, 5, or 6, or even a 7, call the number on the screen. Let's get it.
Call the number on the screen to live the good life.